What's up guys, this is Vintage Danny Unboxing, and today we are going to unbox something classic again, and this is the Rolling Stones album Honk, and this is a compilation album by the Rolling Stones, and the tracks are split into CDs. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the front cover. Honk with the Rolling Stones logo. Picture. CD1 tracks. CD2 tracks. There. And guys, as you can see, I always keep the sticker from the plastic cover because it's kind of cool. Look at that. It's okay, that's the back cover from the inlay. Let's go to the CDs. This is the disc one. And the disc 2, which is color red. And the back cover, track listing. And that is it for today, guys. Honk, compilation album by the Rolling Stones. Peace out.